Hi! Today I'm back at the old building and I'm going to be doing some more sifting through the dirt to see what kind of relics I can find. Let's see. On my first shovel, I hit this. I don't know what that is, but let's see what else we can find right here by the old building. So these are the items I've found today. I have a pile of nails and fence staples, this big old bolt, and this, why is this rock so square? To me it looks just like a rock. I've got this really rusty stuff, and these items that are a mass of something. Old Pepsi. This has an interesting shape. Now this thing is kind of interesting. Some horse tack, and this lid is very heavy, or tightener or something. Don't know. Now, interesting thing is I found a pretty rock. Now this, to me, is heavy, and there's a line. I thought it was a rock at first, but I think it might be a bullet. It's kind of flat, though. And this 22 shell. And these horse tack pieces. And I found a horse tack on the leather connected, so let's take it apart and see how it works. Okay, I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get it apart, but you'd think so after 100 years underground. But you've got this piece here, and then I think this is the washer, and then I'm not sure what that piece is, if they pounded it closed to make it stay. Yeah, so that's interesting. I don't think I can get it apart unless I get some more tools. Alright, so I didn't do too much today. I just dug this little section and screened it over there. Yep. So I think that's all for today. The wind's coming up and the clouds are looking ominous. We might get a little sprinkle here in a few minutes. So come back next time and find some more stuff. Okay, I found these round rocks as well, and I don't know if this is actually something, but I don't think it's magnetic. I've been finding mystery round things around this building. Usually a little bigger than that, though. See, these are a couple of the other round things I've found. And that's this one I just found. Join me in these videos to go on some more treasure hunting adventures on this old ranch. And if you haven't yet, please consider subscribing and smash that like button. Thank you so much for watching.